Okay, welcome back. So it's Thursday the 24th. I think the last video we did, let's just refresh, was on the 19th. So it's been about 5 days. I'm still playing around with the thumbnails. We sadly had a drawdown. I mean, sadly, it's not actually sad. It's just part of trading. So I think when I uploaded the last video, we were at 30,000 PNL. All right. And then 2 days later, I will hit 35,000. And now I'm back to 28,000. We can go on the PNL analysis and have a look at the last 30 days. So when I recorded the video, I think we were up here, and then I made another 3.8K. And then we had 3 days of drawdown where we drew down quite a bit. You can see our equity PNL curve is still really, really strong. Okay. We started the month on about 10K. So still really good. It was down quite a bit. Yesterday. And yeah, we managed to make some money back. And yeah, currently we are minus 4,000 in unrealized PNL. We have, I have a short bias, so I'm not fully neutral. We're using about 2.6 leverage on our balance. So we have 75,000 of overall exposure. The biggest positions that we're holding now would be a magic long. So this is the magic long. Might be a little bit oversized. We shall see. So that's a magic long. We got an FVOC short, which is hurting us. But given how a lot of shit coins are pumping, I am not surprised. We've got, ENJ long, Voxel long. You can see the realized PNLs are pretty good, especially on Voxel. We've got a few shorts like Nero and Cerebro. I mean, these two are really are real shit coins, but it'll take some time potentially for them to correct. If they do, the market, I would say, I mean, we don't need to go through every single position. We have 50 of them, but I would say the market is in a tricky spot. Okay, we're in a really tricky spot. So when I say tricky, let's zoom out. So we are in a big uptrend on the weekly, right? It's pretty evident, like this chart is going up, right? It's pretty clear. Even on the daily, we're in an upward trend. Here we had a mini downtrend. Well, let's say this is a downtrend. Looks like we are breaking out of this now. That's what it looks like, at least. And yeah, everyone is super bullish. We are approaching the highs, but everyone is still super bullish. Like this area is that sort of support resistance flip. It's a bit of a meme line, right? There's no magical line here, but this is, a key level. Obviously 100K is the ultimate level that if we reclaim and hold, then this can be your round number invalidation. Like this could be the trade for you to just size the fuck up if we actually manage to hold this level. You can see we tried to do it once, we tried to do it twice, we tried to do it 3 times, and then we drop back below. So something to note, the round numbers of 100,000. Now on the hourly, okay, BTC is looking super strong. Super, super strong. Uptrend after uptrend, like high, high lows. It's looking super strong. So excuse me, I have no intention in trying to time this move. I missed out on this move, right? I'm not trading directionally longs at the moment. Oh, so that's BTC, right? ETH BTC is still looking like shit. Still really weak. Nothing really to change. This is a key invalidation here if we manage to do something like this, because we broke this previous high. But yeah, ETH BTC still looking like shit. I know a few people who are accumulating ETH at these levels. And yeah, there are good levels. Maybe it makes sense for this mean reversion play to play out if you slowly accumulate ETH here. And yeah, so that's kind of the state of the market. I don't know how shit, like, let's see Solana, for example. So Solana is looking good. Very, very nice $100 level. Let's see other large caps like XRP. Let's see XRP. Yeah, I mean, I would say the market is like, I wouldn't fight this move is what I guess what I'm trying to say. I would definitely not be fighting this strength. I do think that a lot of these shitcoins like Flock, as an example, Avi, they're pumping so hard, like 50% in like 4 hours. You can see the volume spike up. But the demand that I've seen, they're mostly driven by perps, not spot. And it just seems like it's like a hot ball just being passed around from a liquid coin to another. It doesn't seem to me there's any real demand. It might be just one of those dead cat bounces that you get after seeing like periods of bearishness, like prolonged bearishness. But who knows? Like that's what I'm doing. For example, I've got some shorts that I'm entering, but I'm entering after a coin is like doing something like this, you know, something ridiculous like this, like up 80% in like an hour. You know, I don't even know what's going on with this one. I just saw this now, but yeah, probably gonna enter some. Yeah, I mean, look at this volume. Unless it's news driven, this is just the cabal pumping the coin. I mean, just look at that consistent open interest increase. Yeah, the premium. It's pretty interesting. But yeah, I was saying stuff like, let's look like Merle, for example. It's pumping hard, but the funding rate is just positive throughout. Massa as well. You know, it's continuing to, it's being pumped continuously, but funding is positive. It just seems like a lot of the stuff is driven by perps. Maybe I'm wrong, but that's just, yeah, quite interesting. So that's kind of the state of the market. So yeah, we'll continue monitoring this account. Bear in mind that if anything over 10,000, we're still in profit, and it's been less than 30 days. So we need to not think back at the all-time highs, but just take every day as it is instead of comparing it to what the number was 2 days ago or yesterday. And yeah, we still have 33K in the wallet itself, but obviously the unrealized P&L needs to change, hopefully for the better. But I'll play around because at the moment we're definitely net short on the market. And I entered shorts on overextended coins. But yeah, I realistically, I don't know how long some of these coins can sustain themselves for, or how long they can pump for. So that's, yeah, maybe I'll short a bit of Massa. Sufficient quant. Oh yeah, we're closing. Let's do that. Massa, I don't think I want to short BSW. I don't think I do. Although, okay, I'll have to, I guess. This level is just, it's a really good level, but funding is super negative. That's the small problem. So I'm gonna have to wait, I think, to short this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait to short this. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this video. I will play around with the thumbnails. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still testing things out. Probably try one without any thumbnail, or just do like live trading, day number, etc. But let's see how it goes, and I'll see you in the next upload. Peace.